Hey you guys, so I'm back and this video is about me teaching you guys how to make your own Frappuccino over the summer. I know it's getting hot out there. It's getting hot out there. And it's around that time where you want to cool off, you want to go to the pool, you want to drink like a lot of cold stuff and everything like that. So I make my Frappuccinos pretty good. And plus, this is really good if you're on a budget or trying to save money. Because, just to be honest, like when you're making a Frappuccino, it doesn't cost much or a lot at all. And plus, you get to have these supplies, these products for a long time before it expires. So, we're going to get to it. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest, I made like a huge mess, but it's all good. So the caramel that I use, you don't have to get that one. Particularly, I would not have gotten this one, but they didn't really have much selection in the store, surprisingly. So yeah, just get regular caramel. Don't get the one that hardens up. But overall, my Frappuccino looks really good, and I hope this helps somebody out there. Alright, I will see you guys soon. Peace.